Hello guys, if you want to see how to do cut crease an easy way, let's dive in. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today, we're gonna do a very easy cut crease. You can do it while you sleep. Just kidding. But I know in my last video I asked if you want me to do a quick easy cut crease. I want to say thank you to Tracy Montañez. I hope I read your name correctly because I asked in my last video if you want me to do cut crease and she said yes. So yeah, so let's do that. And I if you knew how to do it, congratulations. But for me, I've been practicing it before because it looks like if you are not into makeup, it looks overwhelming. But yeah, it takes practice. So I'll show you the easy way, I hope. So just come closer. Okay, I'm a little bit closer now. So grab your favorite concealers. So when I do my cut crease, I always use the Juvia's Place, and this is color number 20. Juvia's Place concealers because it's so thick and then it's easy to work with. Now my eyes already have, I put the bronzers for today for acting as my eyeshadow. So yeah, so all you have to do is always put it in here in your hand. So don't just no, don't do that because especially if you're a pro, sure, but if you are learning and just spreading your wings to do your makeup, this is the easy way. So just put your concealers in your hand, and I recommend, if you do have a small pack, what is this, it's like this brush, it's a tiny one. I recommend this kind of brush because it's easy to make like a line. But here's the thing, so all you have to do is just get some concealers, and here I'll go closer, and make a dot. Yes, make a dot. Like if you want to do, okay, I'm gonna do half cut crease here, and I'm gonna do the whole a whole cut crease. So let me put here dot because I want only half. So here. So you already have the dot, and if you have a hoodie eyes like me, when you open your eyes and your makeup is gone. So yeah, so what you're gonna do is you already have the line, then open your eyes. Yeah, just open your eyes and look up, and then close your eyes. Did you see that line over there? That is your line. So what I do is I'll make a line here. That is why I love this kind of brush. Sorry that my dry hands, because it's easy to make a line. So you make a line. Yeah. And then if you want only half, so you can stop here. And that's it. Very easy. And when you close your eyes, and if you want a little bit up, just put more concealer up, especially if you have hoodie eyes like me. Yeah. Very easy, right? You can do it like 5 minutes. Now, let me put um I have concealers. I'm using concealers in my eyes right now, and I'm gonna put the what is this? The highlights in my eyes. Then I will do the other. Now I'll do the other eyes like the whole. This is only half, so I'll be back. And I will do all the way until the end. And here we go. Make a dot again. In here. And then open your eyes. It's so hard if you have hooded eyes like me. Okay? You see the line? Well, line again. You can do practice, you know, just practice and practice, and it's not easy. Like, look at that. It's like way. That is fine. I'm totally fine with that. Then you can have like a wing. I know it's crazy right now, but will come together. And if you messed up, that is fine. All you have to do is just, what is this? Okay. There it is. I messed up on the top, so you can use your hand, or you can use, yeah, very easy. Like I said, you can do it 5 minutes, quick and easy. Okay, I get crazy with that, but you know what I mean. So I'll be back. Let me put eyeliner and mascara. I'll be back. And that's it, our easy way to do cut crease. And this is the half and this is the full. I hope you learn something here in my channel, and I want to say thank you to everyone who is new and old here, friends here in YouTube, for supporting me. Thank you so much. And of course, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Hello guys.